6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pull your knees in. We're gonna come into a happy baby on the block, just like that. Hold it. Feel that release in your lower back. This pose feels very comfortable. I don't know about you. If it's not for you, let me know. But the block, I feel like, helps a lot. Extend one leg down, half happy baby. Big stretch for the hip flexors. Let's take 3 full breaths. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. One more and out. Switch. Hold it for a moment. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in, out.